Welcome to Reiki 1 Lesson 1. So Reiki is a non-physical energy, and with this energy we have the power to heal and influence our lives and the lives of others, and we can also use it for manifesting. Some of the names that you might have heard are Ki, Chi, Prana, the Holy Spirit. They're all referring to the same thing. So Reiki is an energy that is inside us all, and even from the moment of conception, we were born with it. In Kirlian photography, we are able to see energy now. The energy fields that exist around human bodies, just like you see here with the blue fuzzy light that kind of circles this hand. So it's actually really cool that we've been able to scientifically prove that this energy exists. Reiki has been around for years. In ancient Eastern cultures, they used energy for healing before we had things like modern medicine. Some common energy healing practices are things like Reiki, Tai Chi, Feng Shui, meditation, yoga, and acupuncture. So I'm going to go over a list of things that could potentially weaken your life-given energy. So too much alcohol, a poor diet, lack of exercise, drugs, tobacco, negative habits that you know just no longer serve you, but you can't stop yourself from doing them, stress, poor breathing. A lot of people don't breathe correctly, and that can cause a disrupt in our life force energy. Lack of sleep and rest, of course, that's a given. Most people understand that. And negative psychic activity. And humanity these days has become fragmented and hollow, so we've forgotten about our natural abilities to heal ourselves and to heal others, and use our God-given gifts for manifesting and creating. When you begin to use your Reiki and tap into this universal life force energy, you're going to realize that there's so much inner wisdom within you, and you kind of unleash that, and it helps you to grow personally and spiritually, and you'll begin to live a happier and more fulfilling life. Universal life force energy is a gift from God. It is your birthright. Everybody has the right to use it, and it's available to us all. So that's why we have to get out there. We have to teach this. We have to share this, because you truly can change your life, change the lives of others, create healing and miracles. So we need to get this out there. This is our duty, and this is our purpose, and that is why you're here right now watching this video today. Everyone has access to Reiki, and we all use Reiki daily. We just don't know it. Some of the times when you may have used Reiki unconsciously, or you're working with these healing energies, is when perhaps you're soothing a child when they fell down and hurt themselves, or how many times have you had a stomach ache and you kind of start rubbing your stomach with your hand? That right there is getting the energy to move. When you're rubbing your stomach in circular motions with your hand is actually magnetizing the energy, attracting it and getting it to circulate, helping to dissipate the pain and get anything that's going on down there to heal. So with the universal life force, this Reiki healing energy, we have the ability to send it and channel it, and we can also receive it and draw it to us. This is a wonderful energy. It's free and abundant. So once you become attuned, once you learn how to use it, you can use it for anything. All you have to do is have the desire to connect, your intention, and receive the attunements to the Reiki frequency. You're now free to move on to lesson number 2.